All laptops are crafted for portability, but their effectiveness on the go varies. Mini laptops, featuring screens smaller than the typical 13 inches clamshell and a weight of around 3 pounds, can easily fit into a bag without burdening you. Their compact size often accompanies extended battery life, making them well suited for travel. While dedicated gaming enthusiasts may prefer specialized gaming laptops, advancements in processing power no longer require sacrificing performance for size. Contemporary mini laptops can handle most tasks as smoothly as their larger counterparts, making them a convenient choice for productivity on the move. If you prioritize a device seamlessly integrating into your daily routine, a mini laptop could be the ideal option for you. When considering mini laptops, focus on 3 key components: the processor, memory, and storage. Similar to full-size laptops, our selections offer configurations with varying power levels to suit your specific requirement. All product links are in the description below. 1. Asus Vivobook 13 Slate. The Vivobook 13 Slate is a compelling 2-in-1 laptop with notable specifications that include a 13.3 inches with a resolution of 1920 by 1080p OLED display, 8 GB of memory, and a 256 GB storage capacity. Weighing 1.8 pounds, the laptop offers a good balance of portability and functionality. The battery life of 10 hours adds to its appeal as a portable computing solution, ensuring extended usage without frequent recharging. On the positive side, it boasts a vibrant OLED screen that is not only visually striking but also enhances the overall viewing experience. The fast and responsive performance, driven by the Intel Core i3 N300 processor, ensures smooth operation for essential work tasks, making the system feel snappy and efficient. The inclusion of a keyboard and kickstand case adds to its versatility, allowing users to seamlessly switch between modes to suit different scenarios. The standout feature of the Asus Vivobook 13 Slate is its exceptional 1080p, known for its uncommon brightness and rich colors. This feature contributes to an immersive and captivating visual experience, making the laptop particularly appealing for users who prioritize display quality. While the laptop's Intel Core i3 N300 processor handles core applications and multitasking well, it might face limitations in more resource-intensive creative work. However, the laptop does come with its share of drawbacks. The CPU, an Intel Core i3 N300, may not be well suited for demanding applications, particularly for tasks like photo editing and video rendering where a more powerful processor might be preferable. Additionally, the keyboard case, despite being included, is noted to be too flexible, potentially impacting the typing experience. 2. HP Stream 11. The HP Stream 11 offers a budget-friendly option with value for money. It boasts an 11.6 inches display with a resolution of 1366 by 768p, 4 GB of memory, and 64 GB of storage. The extended battery life of 13 hours enhances its usability for extended periods without the need for frequent charging. The HP Stream 11's simplicity and affordability make it a practical option for users seeking a basic, lightweight laptop for everyday computing tasks. The laptop is designed to cater to essential needs with a focus on cost-effectiveness. It is particularly suitable for tasks like word processing and web browsing, making it an ideal choice for users with everyday computing requirements. The hardware, led by the Intel Celeron N4020 processor, may not be powerful enough for more resource-intensive applications, but for day-to-day use, it offers a functional and budget-friendly solution. On the positive side, it boasts a solid battery life, making it a reliable companion for users on the go. The laptop's exceptional portability, weighing only 2.4 pounds, adds to its appeal, providing a lightweight and compact solution for daily tasks. The inclusion of expandable storage, through the use of a microSD card, enhances its versatility for users who may need additional storage space. However, the HP Stream 11 does come with its share of limitations. While it excels in basic word processing and web browsing, its performance is notably limited when it comes to more demanding tasks or multitasking. The low-resolution screen might impact the overall display quality, particularly for users who prioritize high-definition visuals. 3. Asus E2 10 Mini. The Asus E2 10 Mini is a compact and lightweight laptop balancing price with performance, making it an attractive option for users prioritizing portability and essential computing tasks. Weighing only 2.3 pounds and measuring 0.7 inches at its thickest point, it's designed to seamlessly integrate into a user's bag alongside files and textbooks. The fanless design ensures complete silence during operation, eliminating any concerns about disturbing those in proximity. It boasts an 11.6-inch display with a resolution of 1366 by 768p, powered by an Intel Celeron N4020 processor. The laptop features 4 GB of memory and 64 GB of storage, and with a battery life of 12 hours, it ensures prolonged usage without frequent recharging. While not designed for complex tasks and heavy multitasking, the Asus E2 performs admirably given its specifications and price point, making it a practical choice for users with specific portability and budget requirements. Despite its compact size, the Asus E2 Mini surprises with features that set it apart from other affordable laptops. The laptop offers great connectivity options, including 3 USB ports and a full-size HDMI for monitor connectivity, enhancing its versatility. On the positive side, its exceptionally thin, light, and quiet design make it an ideal choice for users seeking portability and a noise-free computing experience. The touchpad's innovative transformation into a number pad adds a functional and convenient feature for quick calculations and spreadsheet work. The inclusion of extra USB ports enhances connectivity options, providing users with added flexibility for peripheral devices. However, the Asus E2 does come with certain limitations. The low memory capacity may restrict multitasking capability, making it less suitable for users who require extensive simultaneous operations. 4. Lenovo IdeaPad Duet 3. The Lenovo IdeaPad Duet 3 presents itself as a versatile and feature-rich Chromebook with a set of commendable features. Key specifications include an 11-inch display with a resolution of 2000 by 1200p, powered by a Qualcomm Snapdragon 7C Gen 2 processor. The Chromebook features 4 GB of memory and 128 GB of storage, striking a balance between performance and affordability. Weighing only 1.14 pounds, the Lenovo IdeaPad Duet 3 is a lightweight and efficient solution for users prioritizing portability, web-based activity, and multimedia consumption. Chromebooks, including the Lenovo Duet 3, offer a unique proposition in the laptop market by running Chrome, an expanded version of Google's Chrome web browser. This design choice allows them to be more affordable and require less processing power, making them an excellent option for users who predominantly use web browsers for work and entertainment. The Duet 3 exemplifies the appeal of Chromebooks with its performance defying its on-paper specification. The high-resolution display enhances the user experience for tasks such as remote work and video consumption. Despite a relatively small hard drive, it still provides more storage than many other Chromebooks in its category. The keyboard, considering its modest price, offers surprisingly good performance, competing with some of the best entries in its class. For users seeking an even more immersive streaming and browsing experience, the slightly more expensive Duet 5 variant includes a bright, sharp OLED display that enhances visual quality. On the positive side, its 2-in-1 design enhances its versatility, providing users with the flexibility to use it as both a laptop and a tablet. The high-resolution screen, boasting 2000 by 1200p, contributes to a sharp and vibrant display, making it ideal for remote work and multimedia consumption. The extended battery life of 12 hours ensures prolonged usage without frequent recharging. Despite its compact and sleek design, the Lenovo Duet 3 does come with certain limitations. The storage capacity is relatively limited, which may pose challenges for users with substantial data storage needs. This limitation is a characteristic of Chromebooks in general, which are optimized for web-based activity and often rely on cloud storage. 5. Microsoft Surface Laptop Go 3. The Microsoft Surface Laptop Go 3 is a versatile and value-driven choice, offering a range of amazing features that cater to diverse user needs. Key specifications include a 12.4-inch display with a resolution of 1536 by 1024p, 8 GB of memory, and 256 GB of storage. Weighing 2.5 pounds, the Surface Laptop Go 3 strikes a balance between portability and functionality. The impressive battery life of 15 hours further enhances its appeal as a reliable daily driver that can handle a variety of tasks throughout the day without interruption. Overall, the Microsoft Surface Laptop Go 3 emerges as a compelling choice for users seeking a well-rounded and budget-friendly laptop for both productivity and entertainment. The Surface Go 3 impresses with build quality that exceeds many competitors in its price range, embodying an ultra-portable design with slim dimensions and lightweight construction. Its performance, driven by the Intel Core i5-1235U processor, is adequate for most students and employees, enabling smooth operation of productivity apps such as Microsoft Office and Google Meet. The laptop's tactile keyboard and surprisingly full-bodied speakers contribute to a satisfying user experience, making it suitable for both work and leisure activity. On the positive side, it boasts a long battery life, ensuring extended usage without the need for frequent recharging. Its unique upgradable and repairable design sets it apart, providing users with the flexibility to maintain and enhance their device over time. Positioned as a great value, the Surface Laptop Go 3 delivers a compelling combination of features, performance, and affordability. However, the laptop is not without its drawbacks. The 12.4 inches model features a low-resolution screen, potentially impacting the visual quality compared to higher-resolution displays. Despite this limitation, the Surface Go 3 has garnered appeal, especially with frequent sales that reposition it as an affordable productivity companion with reliable specifications.